Hello, my name is Alex and I will be your tutor today, and I will teach you how to multiply common fractions. It's very easy. For example, 2/3 times 4/5 equals. You multiply straightforwardly. First you multiply numerators, numbers upstairs, and then you multiply denominators, numbers downstairs. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. So the answer is 8/15. Okay, let's consider a couple of more examples. When I say couple, I don't mean two, I mean more than two. Okay, how much is 6 times 1 out of 2? How much is 6 times 1/2? Okay, so instead of 6, I write 6 out of 1, because 6 divided by 1 equals 6, times 1/2 equals. Again, I multiply straightforwardly. First I multiply numerators, then I multiply denominators. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. But that's not all. 6 is divisible by 2. 6 over 2 means 6 divided by 2. And how much is 6 divided by 2? It's 3. So 6 times half equals 3, which makes sense because half of 6 equals 3. Let's take a look at another example. How much is 12 times 2/3? Also, instead of 12, I write 12 out of 1. 2/3. Okay, 12 times 2 is 24. 1 times 3 is 3. Is 24 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. It's 8. So 12 times 2/3 equals 8. Okay, let's consider another example. "25 times 3/5. Instead of 25, I write 25 out of 1 times 3/5. 25 times 3 will be how much? 25 is like 25 cents. It's like a quarter. How much is 3/4? It's 75 over 1 times 5 equals 5. Now, how much is 75 divided by 5? Let me think. It's a hard question. Let me think. Okay. 75 divided by 5. Okay, 7 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Now I bring down 5. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. So there is no remainder. So the answer is 15. Okay, let's consider another example. Okay. How much is 49 over 25 multiplied by 15 over 14? So now I need to multiply straightforwardly 45 times 15. And then I need to multiply straightforwardly 25 times 14. But wait a minute, that looks like too much work. Can I make my life easier here? Can I reduce before I multiply? Yes, I can. Okay, let me look like this. 49 and 14. They both divisible by 7. So 49 divided by 7 will be 7, so I cross it, I write 7 instead. And 14 divided by 7 is 2, so I cross 14, I write 2 instead. Now let's see if I can do the same thing over here. 15 and 25 both divisible by 5. 25 divided by 5 will be 5. And 15 divided by 5 will be 3. So now what I do 7 times 3, which is 21. And I do 5 times 2, which is 10. So the answer is 21 out of 10. Okay? If you think it's a little confusing, I'll give you another example. Actually, I'll give you a couple of examples. And when I say couple, I don't mean two. Okay. How much is 3 out of 8 times 16 out of 33? Of course, I can do 3 times 16, 8 times 33, but that's too much work. Why should I make my life so miserable when I can make it much easier? I can reduce before I multiply. 3 and 13, both divisible by, 3 and 33, both divisible by 3. Divided by 3, divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 will be 1. 33 divided by 3 will be 11. 8 and 16 are both divisible by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Now I do 1 times 2. It's 2. 1 times 11. 11. Okay, one more example. And when I say one more, I don't mean one more. I mean one, like a couple of more. And when I say a couple of more, I mean more than 2 more. Okay, let's do this one. 24 out of 35. We'll multiply by 20 out of 9. Okay. So 24 as well as 9 are both divisible by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Next, 35 and 20 are divisible by 5. Divided by 5. Divided by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now look how much easier my life is now. 8 times 4 equals 32. 7 times 3 equals what? 21. Mission accomplished. Now we'll do another example. 15 out of 16. We'll multiply by 4 out of 20. No, let's make it 25. Okay, let's reduce before we multiply. 15 is divisible by 5. 25 is also divisible by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 4 is divisible by 4. And 16 is divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So now I need to do 3 times 1, which is 3. And 4 times 5, which is 20. The answer is 3 out of 20. Oh, and that's not all. Now I'm going to teach you how to multiply mixed numbers. Let's suppose 2 and 3 fifths. I will multiply by 3 and 1 third. Okay, before I multiply mixed numbers, I need to convert each one of them into improper fraction. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Yeah, that's how I did it. 2 times 5 and it will be 10, and 10 plus 3 is 13 times 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Again, that's how I convert from mixed number into improper fraction. Let's suppose I have 3 and 1 third. First I do 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 plus 1 is 10. So it will be 10 out of 3. Okay. Now I multiply them, but wait a minute, can I reduce before I multiply? Yes. 10 is divisible by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And 5 is also divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, and 13 and 3, I cannot reduce them. Because 13 is only divisible by 13 and 3 is only divisible by 3. So 13 times 2 is 26. And 1 times 3 is 3. So the answer is 26 out of 3. Mission accomplished.